Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica with eLearning with Erica. In this video, I wanted to go over two options for engaging students or young ones when you are traveling or on field trips. The first method involves using shortcuts, and the second method involves just using the Notes app. What made me think of this is a recent visit to a museum with some teenagers. The teenagers were not as engaged as I had hoped. They were on their phones, etc. So I figured I would come up with a way to make it a little more engaging, yet somewhat add some accountability into the trip. Of course, we want our young ones to have fun, but if we are educators or if we are leading groups of young people who need to get value out of experiences, here are two things you can try. So we're going to tap on the shortcut, and it says start here. Today we are visiting the Washington Monument, and we are completing a scavenger. Tap it. Tap the first one. This tall marble obelisk stands 555 feet tall and can be seen all. All right, tap that square again, that blue one. Now tap the second one where it says items you need to find. All right, and now say okay. Now tap the blue square again. Tap 555. Right, a name. Take a picture of the monument itself. Okay, got it? Now hit use photo. Good. Now what does it say? Now
for the video shows how tall the monument is.
All right, hit okay.
Okay.
Now video from bottom to top. Good. I hit use video. Good job. Now write about the photo. All right, hit done.
Record an audio clip of how you feel standing in the presence of the Washington Monument.
Okay, so press that paper clip. Now go to record audio. Tap the red.
This is a interesting experience standing in front of the Washington Monument that is so tall that you have to tilt your body just to see it. It's got two windows, it looks like, at the top of it.
Okay, now hit the paper clip. Now go to take photo.
Take the photo.
Take a picture of the monument. Try your best. Great. Now hit use photo. All right, so we got it in here. And what's the last task?
Share one fact you learned about the Washington Monument. When you type it? Okay. Type it.
Check. Let me go check over your list. All right, you have a picture. You inserted that. You have your audio clip. Check. And then you shared a fact. Very good. So you're going to get an A for today's assignment. And here on the Notes app on iOS, you can review everything the students submitted during their trip. You can also share the note with their parents and with the student themselves. And of course, this is helpful for data collection and for review.
This is a interesting experience standing in front of the Washington Monument that is so tall that you have to tilt your body just to see it. It's got two windows, it looks like, at the top of it. It's interesting.